In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Jobber calendar to Google Calendar. This integration can help you seamlessly manage your appointments and schedules across platforms, streamlining your workflow and ensuring that you never miss an important meeting or deadline. Let's dive right in and get started. First, make sure you have access to a desktop computer, as this process is best done there. Head over to getjobber.com and log into your account. This step is crucial because accessing your Jobber settings is necessary for the next stages of the process. Once you've logged in, you'll want to navigate to the calendar sync settings. The fastest way to do this is to look for your profile icon, typically located in the top right corner of the page. Give it a click, select Settings, and scroll down until you find Calendar Sync. This is where we'll begin the syncing process. Now, within the Calendar Sync section, you're going to look for something labeled either as Google Calendar or External Calendar Feed. What you want to do here is to copy your unique Jobber iCal link. This is essentially a URL that allows external programs like Google Calendar to access your Jobber schedule. You'll need this link for the next step, so make sure to click Copy Link. Keeping this link handy is important because you'll be pasting it into Google Calendar shortly. Next, open a new tab in your web browser and go to Google Calendar by navigating to calendar.google.com. Once you're there, you'll need to find the plus icon. It's generally located in the left side menu where you see Other Calendars. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu and select the option that says From URL. This part is crucial. From URL is the option that allows you to import an external calendar using the link you just copied from Jobber. With the From URL field now visible, it's time to paste the iCal link you copied earlier from Jobber. Simply right-click in the field and select Paste, or use the Ctrl+V shortcut if you're using a PC, or Command+V on a Mac. Once the link is in place, you'll see an option to add calendar. Click on this button, and in a few moments, your Jobber calendar should be integrated into Google Calendar, and there you have it. You've successfully connected your Jobber calendar to your Google Calendar. By doing this, any updates you make to your schedule in Jobber will now automatically reflect in your Google Calendar. This synchronization helps ensure that you have your schedule at your fingertips across multiple devices, making it much easier to keep track of all your commitments and appointments. I hope you found this guide helpful, and keep an eye out for more tips to enhance your productivity.